Good morning, good morning, good morning sa ating lahat mga kababayan ko from Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao at ang ating mga minamahal na mga OFW. Once again, good morning to all of you right now. Magandang umaga once again mga kababayan. So in this video mga kababayan, I would like to share some information about Live Good Company. Live Good Company mga kababayan ko is an American company. It's an online home business company. It just less than 2 years old company mga kababayan ko, and the headquarters is in Florida, USA, and the management team mga kababayan ko, they have a combined experience of almost 50 years of experience, our management team. And mga kababayan, they have amazing great products, certified US FDA organic. So mga kababayan ko, aside from that, this company is the most affordable company, network company, online business company that you can really depend on. For only 2,900 pesos lifetime membership and only 590 pesos maintenance for your business, you are now have an online business mga kababayan ko. So bye for now mga kababayan ko, and see you at the top.